Hello, I would like to sharing about Gestalt Theory. Have you already know about Gestalt Theory? Alright, Gestalt Theory is a psychological term that means a whole unity. Gestalt Theory that explains the different components, thus forming a visual or pattern that has elements in similarity and becomes unity. Okay, let's move on to Gestalt principle. At the first, look at letter G with closure principle. This principle makes our mind to think to fill the empty place. And then letter E with proximity principle. It can be makes our perception to see the components be a unity. And then letter S with continuation principle. It makes people's eyes will follow the line and more likes to see visual elements continually than detached object. Then letter T. It with similarity principle. We will perception that the object or alphabet has a similar shape is a unity. And then the last is letter A and L with a figure and ground principle. When we focus to the background, we will have different perception although in the same picture. To make you get it easier, I will give you one example. See the picture. If we look at a glance, we know that is a tree and some flying birds, right? But if we see again the background, so we can see two animals are being faced. Do you know what's the animals? Yeps, they are a gorilla and tiger who face to face. For the next, our theme is to mention Gestalt as a phenomenon. It started when Max interested to do observation about perception after he looked Strooboscope. Strooboscope is a tool that used to see the cycle things or video looked slow motion. This is an example trial on fan. The fan is on, but with Strooboscope, we can see the fan's movement is slowly. So that's why our themer calls it phenomenon.